Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Charlie. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make my delicious Funyuns Flavored Fried Onion Ring. Now, of course, this is flavored with some delicious Funyuns Flavored Ring. And we add that into the batter with the dry and wet ingredients. We dip sliced onions into the batter, and from there, it is fried in hot oil just before serving. This recipe serves about 2 to 4 people, or depending on the size or how many onions you're preparing. It's flavorful, crunchy, has a nice onion flavor, absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here's all you'll need to make your Funyuns flavored onion rings. Let's get started with our ingredients. You'll need 1 large yellow onion. You will also need some all-purpose flour, yellow cornmeal, 1 bag of Funyuns. This is onion flavored rings. You will also need some buttermilk, whole milk, 1 large egg, vegetable or canola oil, and for your seasonings, you'll need some salt, black pepper, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. Now, if you don't have this, you can use the Zatarain's Creole seasoning or the Saffron Mama Cajun seasoning. You will also need some granulated onion and granulated garlic. And for your tools, you will need a 4-quart pot or deep fryer. If you're using the 4-quart pot, you will also need a thermometer. And lastly, you will need a cooling rack. And there we have it.
All right, let's get straight to it. I'm going to start by taking 1 large yellow onion, and I'm just going to chop both the top and the bottom sides of the onion off. I'm going to just shave that off. I'm going to make a little incision in the skin of the onion, and I'm going to peel off the outer layer of the onion. And from there, I'm going to slice the onion. Now you can slice it to whatever thickness that you like. About 1/4 to a 1/2 inch will do. And from there, you're going to separate it into onion rings, just as you see here. It's just that simple. All right, let's get started with crumbling our Funyuns rings. So in this small food processor, if you don't have this, you can just place the Funyuns in a plastic bag and crumble them and go from there. Add 1.5 ounces in weight of the crumbled Funyuns. I'm just going to add that in there. And to that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Pulse this for 30 seconds. And there we go. All right, let's get started with making our onion ring batter. So in this medium-sized bowl, add a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 cup of yellow cornmeal. Remember the crumbled Funyuns? Add that in there. Let's add some seasoning. Add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, a 1/2 teaspoon of granulated garlic, and 1 1/2 teaspoons of granulated onion. Stir all your ingredients together. Add 3/4 cup of buttermilk. Make sure your buttermilk is cold. And to thin it out some, we're going to add 1/4 cup of whole milk. Make sure that's cold as well. And 1 large egg. Make sure that's cold too. I'm going to take a sturdy spoon and stir all the ingredients together. Now I just want to let you know that the batter will be really thick. Don't worry about that. That is normal. Preheat your fire to medium heat. If you have a deep fryer, preheat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, let's get started with heating our oil for our onion rings. So in this medium-sized 4-quart pot, I've added 48 fluid ounces of canola oil. You can use any other type of oil if you like. Let the oil get hot until it reaches a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, let's get started with battering our onion rings. So we're first going to start by adding 1 onion ring into the batter. Now I just want to let you know that when you first start to coat the onion rings with the batter. The batter might not stick at the beginning, but what you're going to do is you're going to take that onion ring and you're going to flip it over and you're going to continuously coat it until the batter sticks to the onion ring, like how you see here. And from there, I'm going to take it and add it into the hot oil. Fry only 4 onion rings at a time, depending on how much space you have. Let this fry for about 4 to 5 minutes, or until the onion rings are light golden brown. Okay, it's been about 4 to 5 minutes now, and here I have a serving plate with a cooling rack on top. I'm going to take some tongs and I'm going to remove the onion rings from out the hot oil. I'm going to wait a few seconds just to let some of the oil drain off. Transfer the onion rings onto the cooling rack. Let this cool for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. You can also reheat these in an air fryer just in case if they get cold on 380 degrees for about 2 to 4 minutes. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, Funyuns Flavored Onion Rings, made by a New Orleans native. You can check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes. Go to www.charliethecookandrews.com. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews.
Now I'm going to go ahead and try this. Oh yeah. It's really good. It's crunchy. It has a nice onion flavor, especially from the Funyuns that we added into it. It's well seasoned, and plus it has just a little hint of sweetness to it from the onion. Overall, this is a wonderful, fantastic, and absolutely delicious appetizer. So, give the recipe a try. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, have a good one. Peace.